Hey guys, my neighbor gave me parts of a chaise lounge of that expensive recycle wood. The legs broke. He's given me 2 of these and 2 smaller ones. That's how I made a new bench. Got some 2x4s, stained them, sprayed some black rubber paint on the bottom so they won't rot, and built some legs. And here's a bigger one. I used 4x4s instead of 2x4s. This bench to sit, look at the garden. Got 4 legs at 18, 2 side crossbars at 16, one that goes down the middle at 29. Here we have them stained and drying. This pressure treated wood doesn't do a great job of absorbing stain, but at least it turns them a shade of brown so they're not so green. It will match this recycled material. We're going to use these star screws and attach them here. I'm going to put 2 on each one. I got all 4 of those in with just 1 screw to start, and I use this down here to brace it so the wood would stay in. And I'm going to put these on up here with 1 screw. Once I get everything assembled with 1 screw, I'll double them up and tighten everything all the way. And there it is. Good enough. 2 screws in each piece all the way around. Just got to put some black spray on the end of this later. Just in time. I was given this gallon of preserver wood end cut solution to review, and exact timing for a little recycled bench. Just brush it on the ends. It drips down some. Doesn't matter, it's clear and it's going in the garden. Make sure you get the end really well, it says. Let it seep in. Do a couple coats. Yeah, I like this. I like that fact that it's clear and that goes on a little more precise than the spray. Anything that sits in the ground here in Texas between the heat and downpours, the wood will rot, and this will keep the humidity and dirt and creepy crawlers from penetrating. Month later, came out really well. Stacked a lot of stuff on there.